What if I told you that some Lamborghinis are so rare, so exclusive, that owning one is not just about money, it is about access. Because even if you have millions sitting in your bank account, you still might not be able to buy one. That is the level Lamborghini operates at when it comes to its most expensive cars. We are talking about machines built in extremely limited numbers, often reserved for elite collectors, longtime clients, or people personally invited by the brand. Cars that are not just vehicles, they are status symbols. Engineering masterpieces, and in some cases, moving pieces of art. In this video, we are counting down the top 5 most expensive Lamborghinis ever made, based on real-world values and updated information as of 2026. And trust me, by the time we reach number 1, you will understand why some of these cars cost more than private jets, mansions, or even entire business portfolios. But before we begin, make sure you subscribe to the channel if you enjoy supercars, luxury machines, and the insane world of high-performance engineering. Now, let's get into it. At number 5, we have the Lamborghini Countach LPI 804. This car is not just expensive, it is emotional, because it brings back one of the most iconic names in automotive history, the Countach. Originally introduced in the 1970s, the Countach became a symbol of extreme design, futuristic styling, and raw performance. Posters of the Countach were on bedroom walls all around the world. Fast forward to modern times, and Lamborghini decided to bring that legend back. But instead of simply recreating the past, they reimagined it. The Countach LPY 804 combines classic design inspiration with modern technology. Under the body, it shares its platform with the Veneno. But it also introduces hybrid assistance. It features a naturally aspirated V12 engine paired with a supercapacitor-based hybrid system, producing around 803 horsepower. That combination gives it incredible acceleration, going from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 2.8 seconds. But the real value of this car comes from its exclusivity. Only 112 units were ever produced, a number chosen to reference the original Countach's internal project code. The price when new was around $2.6 million, but in today's market, depending on condition and rarity, values can reach over $3 million. It is not just a car, it is a tribute to Lamborghini's past, built using the technology of the future. At number 4, we have the Lamborghini Sesto Elemento. Now, this is where things start to get extreme. The Sesto Elemento is not a normal car. In fact, it is not even road legal. This is a track-only machine designed with one goal: maximum performance through extreme weight reduction. The name Sesto Elemento refers to carbon, the 6th element on the periodic table. And that is exactly what this car is built around. Carbon fiber, everywhere. The chassis, the body panels, the suspension components, even parts of the interior are made from advanced carbon materials. The result? An incredibly light car weighing just around 999 kilograms. Under the hood, it uses a V10 engine from the Gallardo, producing around 570 horsepower. Now, that might not sound insane compared to modern hypercars, but when you combine that power with such low weight, the performance becomes absolutely brutal. 0 to 60 happens in about 2.5 seconds, and because of its lightweight construction, the car feels incredibly responsive and aggressive on track. Only 20 units of the Sesto Elemento were ever produced, and today, its value sits between roughly $2.9 million to over $3 million depending on the market. This is not a car you drive to a cafe, this is a car you unleash on a racetrack. At number 3, we have the Lamborghini Sián Coupe. This is where Lamborghini stepped into a new era. The Sián was Lamborghini's first production hybrid supercar, but instead of using a traditional battery system, Lamborghini did something different. They used a supercapacitor. This technology allows for faster energy storage and release compared to conventional batteries. The Sián combines a naturally aspirated V12 engine with this hybrid system to produce around 819 horsepower. That makes it one of the most powerful Lamborghinis ever built. Performance is insane. 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2.8 seconds, a top speed of over 350 kilometers per hour. But what makes the Sián truly special is its design and rarity. Only 63 coupe units were produced, each one customized for its owner. Every car is unique, every detail is tailored. The original price ranged between $3.1 million and $3.6 million. But in today's collector market, values can go even higher depending on specifications. This car represents the moment Lamborghini began blending traditional V12 power with future hybrid technology. At number 2, we have the Lamborghini Sián Roadster. Take everything insane about the Sián Coupe and remove the roof. The Sián Roadster pushes exclusivity even further. Only 19 units were ever built, that is it. 19 cars in the entire world. That level of rarity alone makes it one of the most valuable Lamborghinis ever created. Mechanically, it shares the same hybrid V12 system as the coupe, producing around 819 horsepower. But driving a Roadster adds a completely different experience. You hear the engine more clearly. You feel the speed more intensely. It becomes more emotional, more raw, more immersive. And because of its open-top design and extreme rarity, the Sián Roadster carries a price tag of around $4.9 million. In many cases, these cars never even reach the public market. They are sold directly to collectors and remain in private collections. Owning one is not just about money. It is about being part of an exclusive group that Lamborghini chooses. And now, at number 1, the most expensive Lamborghini ever made. The Lamborghini Veneno. This car is not just rare, it is legendary. The Veneno was created to celebrate Lamborghini's 50th anniversary. And Lamborghini wanted to build something that truly stood out, something extreme, something unforgettable. And that is exactly what they did. The design of the Veneno looks more like a race car than a road car. Sharp angles, aggressive aerodynamics, massive air intakes, everything about it is designed for performance. Under the hood, it uses a naturally aspirated V12 engine producing around 750 horsepower. But again, the real story is not just performance, it is exclusivity. Only 3 coupe versions were ever sold to customers. Later, Lamborghini produced 9 Roadster versions. That means fewer than a dozen Venenos exist in total customer hands. When it was first released, the price was around $4 million. But today, the value has skyrocketed. Depending on the model and market, Venenos have been valued between $8 million to over $15 million. Some estimates even go higher. That makes it not only the most expensive Lamborghini, but one of the most valuable production cars ever made. It is not just a vehicle, it is a collector's asset, a symbol of extreme exclusivity. And a statement of what happens when engineering meets art at the highest level. So what makes these Lamborghinis so expensive? It is not just speed. It is not just design. It is the combination of rarity, innovation, performance, and brand legacy. Limited production numbers, advanced materials, unique technology, and the prestige of owning something that almost no one else in the world has. These cars exist at a level far beyond normal automotive standards. They are built for collectors, enthusiasts, and individuals who want something truly unique. Because at this level, you are not just buying a car, you are buying a piece of history. Now I want to ask you something. If you had the chance to own one of these, which Lamborghini would you choose? The iconic Countach LPI 804, the extreme Sesto Elemento, the futuristic Cian Coupe, the ultra-rare Cian Roadster, or the legendary Veneno? Let me know in the comments.